How to set up Grammarly on Android? Follow this guide. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Grammarly. Then install the official app. Once installed, open the app. Next, click on Get Started and agree to the terms. Now click on Open Settings. You'll find Grammarly and tap on it. Again, click on the Open Settings option and agree to the accessibility permission. Then hit the Sign In button. Likewise, sign in using your email, Google or Facebook account and hit Continue. Then enter your password to access the app. Lastly, hit the Sign In button. Grammarly works with any keyboard, so click on Write Something. Now start typing. Furthermore, tap on Review Suggestion to fix mistake instantly. Then hit the Accept button to correct your mistake. And that's all. I hope this video helped.